In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable developer options on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open settings, and under settings, scroll down until you see the option about phone. So tap on it and then select software information. Under software information, look for the option build number and just tap on it 7 times. So then if you have a PIN or a pattern or a passcode, a PIN, pattern or password, you'll be asked to enter it in to confirm your identity. Then tap on continue and then you'll see developer mode has been enabled. So when you go back to the settings screen, you'll see the option underneath about phone, developer options. So when you tap on that, you'll see it's turned on. So you can turn it off like that, or you can turn it on. It's all up to you. Then you can customize your phone using these settings. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.